Hey guys, just another quick video that I hope might help somebody. This is a DFI plug, and this is my trusty ground down pot rivet, and I'll be showing you how to get the pins out. Now, a little bit different to most other Delco pins, these ones actually escape through the front, so when you're trying to release them it can get a little bit crowded in the housing, and can get a bit tricky, but yeah, that's how it's done. The reason why I'm de-pinning this is I have to reuse this in a harness that I'm building, and we have the pins to be able to replace. These particular connectors are used throughout Delco harnesses. They're on the coolant temp sensor, throttle position sensor, etc, etc. So it's a really common terminal. Anyway, hopefully that helps somebody. Cheers.